This is a short plant profile about the flowering currant, Ribes sanguineum. This shrub can grow up to 8 feet tall and 8 feet wide in the right conditions, and it's fairly quick growing, gaining at least a foot a year. It will reach its full height in 5 to 10 years. Depending on the variety, they can flower from March through to late summer, and the flowers are available in many shades of red, from pink, magenta, purple, and they're also available in white. A flowering currant will be happy in sandy, clay, loam or chalky soils, so long as they are moist but free draining, and they can also cope with acid, alkali or neutral soils. This flowering shrub has a UK hardiness rating of H6, which means it's hardy from -15 to -20. It does prefer a sunny position, but it may succumb to leaf scorch if it's not shaded from the hottest midday sun. It can be easily propagated by taking hardwood cuttings in winter. Strictly speaking, if this plant produces berries, they are edible, but only because they're not toxic to humans when we eat them. In reality, they don't really taste of anything, it's not worth eating them, but leave the berries on the plant because birds love them. For pruning requirements, you don't have to prune these, but they will perform better if you cut the branches that have flowered down to a set of buds just after flowering. For pests and diseases, flowering currants can be susceptible to aphids, powdery mildew, leaf spot, coral spot and honey fungus. Thank you for watching this short plant profile about the flowering currant.